everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Jane. So today's video is winter sewing plans. So I've got a little pile of fabrics and I've got a few ideas of what I'd like to make with them, and I'll share with you after this break. So welcome back. So yes, I've had these fabrics in my stash for quite some time, and it's about time I got them out and I got them made. They're fairly autumn winter type of fabrics, so I thought this is the perfect opportunity to make some nice selfish sewing garments for myself through the winter period. So I'm hoping to get these done throughout the month of December. We're now in December. They've been staring at me for that long, and one of my New Year's resolutions is going to be only buy fabric if you've got some intention of doing something with it, not just for the sake of it and sticking it on a shelf, because it's just ridiculous. Obviously, if you know me, you follow me over on Instagram. I do like the vintage style. I'm definitely inspired by the 1940s, 1950s, that type of era. I do love a floral, I love a ditzy print, I like the romantic old-fashioned type of look. I do like to try other things, which I've been doing lately, been trying different outfits and different looks, but I'm still drawn to the vintage type of era. So I've been on Pinterest, and as you do, I've been inspired by Miss Patina. I absolutely love this brand. I followed them on Instagram for quite some time. Absolutely love, I just love everything about them. It's just totally 1930s, 1940s. Oh yeah, it's right up my street. So that's kind of inspired me. And this picture that I'm showing you from Pinterest is obviously from Miss Patina. And I just love everything about this picture. I just love the plaid skirts, the woolly tights, the chunky boots, the cable knit vests, the pussy bow tie blouses, the pinafores. I just love everything about it. So I am really inspired with this picture. So first things first, so let's have a look at the fabrics. All of these are from Felicity Fabrics, which I purchased throughout this year, and some could have even been last year. I think I got them all this year. I'd like to think I got them all this year, 2021. But I can't swear to that. But these two feel like wool. I've showed you these before on previous vlogs, and as you can see, I didn't do anything with them. But these two feel like wool. They're so soft and lovely and thick, but I don't believe they are wool. I'm sure they're like a polyester type of mix, but they are just divine. So because the feel of wool and plaid and, you know, like that brushed wool, boiled wool type of look, I'm going to make skirt with this one. I've got 2 meters, so I'm inspired by the plaid A-line short skirt that model is wearing on the right there, but I'm going to do an A-line long maxi skirt. I'm just going to keep it really simple and plain. Basically no pockets. I might put pockets in, but just inseam pockets, nothing flash, nothing fancy, just basic. Yeah, I will probably put pockets in, strike that. But it's just going to be proper plain A-line skirt, just a waistband, back zip. Obviously I'm going to draft it myself. I'm probably going to take inspiration from the Sadie skirt, which is the A-line skirt. It's got a ruffle on the bottom, but this one I'm really inspired just by this picture. Obviously she's got knee length. Because I've got 2 meters of it, I'm going to go full on maxi, and I think it'll go really nice with my boots. I'll show you a close-up of the fabric. It's this gorgeous plaid. It's really deep green. It's got a touch of grey, touch of rust going through there, like a lighter green, but there's some gorgeous autumn winter shades in there. I think it's going to make a really comfortable winter skirt. Another picture I can show you that I've got my eye on. That's the type of vibes I'm going for, that one there. And also another one that I absolutely love, full on, I mean that's floral, purely the style. Lovely A-line skirt with a classic waistband. So that's what I've got in mind for that. Can't wait to get going on that. And as I say, these are all going to be made in the month of December. And then the second one, going back to that Miss Patina picture. Now the girl on the left, she's wearing like a pinafore, and again like a plaid. Fancy making a pinafore, but again like an A-line type of pinafore rather than a bodice and then a gathered skirt, because I mean I've got plenty of them like the poppy pinafore, so I don't want to go down that avenue. I want to try something different, and I've got this plain wool effect. It's not wool, but it feels like wool. It's so soft. And again, I've got 2 meters of this, so I've got plenty to play with. And again, I'm going to go for midi maxi if I've got enough. I should have enough because there's no sleeves involved, so I should have enough. And then possibly do a belt, a fabric belt, so I could wear it like tied around the waist if I fancied, or I could also add one of my own like leather belts. So that's the vibes I'm getting there, and I absolutely love that style. I'm not sure whether that's an A-line pinafore that she's got on, but I really like that style with the belt and the tights again. And obviously I would make mine longer, but there's another one there I've seen with buttons down the front. Now it's kind of fitted type of bodice, this one, and then it's got the A-line skirt attached, which I quite like. I quite like that fitted and A-line, and that's got the buttons down the front and V-neck. So I really like that one. I'm not sure I would do buttons all the way down the front. I may do something similar to that picture and maybe just do a couple of buttons on the bodice if I go for something like that style, and then just leave the skirt without the buttons, so it looks like you can just open it and you can get into it that way. I think that would look quite nice, quite schoolgirl prefect type of look, which is what I really do like. Again, a vintage 1940s type of vibe, so I really am inspired by that one. That really is drawing me to that one. So that's the idea for that one. And then going back to, again, that Miss Patina. Basically I'm doing a bit of a soda look, aren't I? But it's not really, but I'm inspired, definitely inspired by this picture. I do love a pussy bow blouse. If you remember last year, I think I made 5 or 6 of the Oak Ridge blouse, which I absolutely love. I love a high neck blouse. Again, my Edith blouse that I've just designed, which I'm hoping to work on in a sewing pattern in the new year. I think that's what I'm going to be planning on doing. But again, the Edith blouse, high neck blouses, I just love that look. Just love that look. And I think they're so versatile having a high neck, because obviously you can layer things over them, and perfect for this time of year as well. And yeah, I just love that look. So I'm fancying a pussy bow blouse, and I've got these 2 fabrics. So again, Felicity Fabrics. This is 100% cotton with this gorgeous floral print, but it's like autumnal colours with the rust browns, the oranges, the mustards and the dark greens. And this again is so soft. It's like buttery soft fabric, and I think I've got 2 meters of this, or it could be 1.5. No, it looks like 1.5 meters, which is enough for a blouse. Will it be enough to do a pussy bow? That is the next question. I'm not sure whether I'll have enough, but again, I love that, and I'll show you a picture of the blouse I had in mind. Yeah, so looking at that one, the girl in the middle, she's obviously wearing a pussy bow blouse, got long sleeves, gathered cuffs by the looks of it, and the bow, but I'm not sure whether there's enough to do that in that one. So I may do the pussy bow blouse in this one, which is gorgeous green, like khaki green, with copper sparkles stitched in, running all the way through. You can see that catching in the light. And I think I should have enough of that, because I think I've got 2 meters of this one. So I think, and it's quite drapey, so I think that would make quite a nice pussy bow blouse. And also this would go really well paired with that skirt. Picks out the green in the plaid there, and I think that would make a lovely winter outfit. And for this gorgeous buttery soft cotton, 100% cotton print, it's got all the autumnal colours, burnt orange, rusts, greens, blues on a cream background, so perfect to mix and match through the autumn winter. And my inspiration again is from Miss Patina for this one. I've only got 1.5 meters, so I am tight for what I can do with it, but I'm again inspired. It's going to be a blouse, and I'm inspired by this picture, totally inspired by this type of blouse. Now I probably won't do the sleeves like that, but I do like that ruffle on the neckline. I think it's really pretty. So I'm thinking maybe a very plain type of, because I won't have a lot to play with, sort of plainish type blouse, maybe plainish sleeves, and then use the remainder of the fabric to do that gorgeous deep flounce around the neck. So that's the inspiration for this one. So all in all, I think I'm going to be creating some really nice pieces for the autumn winter, and I think they'll all go quite nice together. I think this blouse would go lovely with the A-line skirt. It's got some of the greens and the blues in there, and then I could also tie in my cream cable vest as another layering piece, a kind of schoolgirl type of look. So I can't wait to get them two stitched together. And again, this green pussy bow blouse will go perfect with the skirt. Bring out the khaki green, the greens in the plaid there. I just think they go absolutely perfect together, and also it will go perfect underneath the pinafore. So they are my 4 fabrics. They are my plans. So that's my vlog for today. Can't wait to get going, can't wait to get sewing, can't wait to share with you. If you like today's video, don't forget to give me that lovely like and subscribe if you'd like to follow along with me, you know, the usual. And yeah, and that's it for today's video, and I shall see you on my next one. Until the next time, please take care, and I shall see you very soon.